Great, my Midnight Warriors. It is I, A.W.Brawler, with another Midnight Musou bonus round. Now, this is the official bonus round. The Zelda one, I guess you could say, is special bonus round. We're gonna be continuing what gameplay we were doing during the stream, and I'm gonna be using Cao Cao, and we're gonna go with battle. She's a otaku, just because I wanted to use him against Cao P, just for the fun of it. So let's hop right on into it. We're just gonna place it on normal for now. Not trying to do the most challenging thing in the world right now, because I'm not gonna lie to you. Excuse me. I'm gonna breeze through it and hop right back on Hyrule Warriors. Maybe a little in the ship, to say forward. And somewhere between that, finish watching the episodes of Hunter x Hunter that I missed. Oh, manslaughter. Okay, and as you've seen in the stream, Cao Cao uses a lot of ice, but he can burn with ice because, well, this is Warriors Orochi, and he has, well, he had ice attributes, he had fire attributes, and that's gone now, so he's freezing with the ice, not burning. That just looks weird. And my favorite thing about him is that he fights sort of like Shang Hua from Soul Calibur. And then he does this thing. You gotta love a guy that can just randomly throw ice out. I've always liked ice and lightning users, even on Bleach. Oh wow! I'm trying to recenter her like Hyrule Warriors. I'm pushing the wrong button. But I've always liked ice and lightning users. That's why you always see games like this. I always would seem to like the ice or lightning user, which is funny because I like Darunia on Hyrule Warriors, who's a fire user, and I normally hate the fire types. Like, even with Pokemon, I'm not too big on Charizard. So it's actually weird to see. I guess because he's a Goron, and I just love the Goron, so it doesn't matter. He gets a free pass. And we're gonna freeze him. Just a little bit of leveling up here. But it's like, I don't even know how many characters there are on Warriors Orochi. I didn't stop and count them all yet. I'm pretty sure it's well over 100 though. I'm gonna sit down and count them all one day and see how many characters there are to choose from. This is an awesome character roster. Probably the largest in Musou game history, or any game history. I'm not quite sure what that blue thing is that he does, but it's effective. It gets the job done. Susano's trying to come and steal my thunder. Move, man, you had your time. Oh, I forgot Yoshi, Hideyoshi was in trouble. I forgot I can't do anything on the stage until I rescue Hideyoshi. Sorry, but run past all of them. He could work on some speed. He could really work on his speed. And I'm slowly approaching. I was taking a lot more damage earlier giving a lot more damage during the training. Now it seems like I'm not giving out as much damage. I wonder why that is. Well, this is the higher level stage too, probably why. Switch. He's also not refilling HP as fast. What's going on here? Yeah, the level difficulty should not make this much of a difference. I don't want to just go back to Susano and let him hog the show, but I might have to. Oh, there's Ham right there. So, there we go. Try not to rely on Susano. I guess I'll do a little ice spamming. Just spam them with ice. That seems to work. See, y'all gonna learn a couple of crazy, simple, no one would think of them strategies from watching Midnight Musou, because I will find ways to not die on this game. Even if I don't win, I'm definitely gonna survive long enough for my partner to finish the mission or something. Failure just is not an option for me right now. Cao P is probably gonna mess me up by running about him. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go towards this side before they put all those explosives down, and I start tripping on them and falling over the horses and everything again. The video may be up a little later today because I have to upload 2. I'm not sure if YouTube will let me upload 2 at the same time. Never tried to. I'll see. Yeah, I'll see what happens if I try to upload 2 if YouTube will allow that. I gotta open 2 separate pages, so yeah, that should work. Huh. I just froze Cao P. Yeah, he's an ice spammer, like I said during the stream. He's the best type of. If I can level him up, get him like I want to keep his HP up. He's an awesome ice spammer because he just keep freezing and then put everyone with ice. I mean, you can't fight back when you're frozen, so he's awesome for that. I'm pretty sure that guy that I left behind should be dead. I actually fought with him for the first time while playing with one of my friends. The one that I refer to as Mad Mac on Twitter. We were using characters. You're like, okay, use someone you haven't fought with because your level's too high. So I picked Cao Cao, and he was just overpowered with all this ice, and I still was getting more knockouts because we're trying to see who getting more knockouts. So I still was getting more knockouts. I was like, okay, I'm going to level this guy up because he's one that I definitely want to use. And that's part of what made me choose him this time around. Only he probably won't be seeing any leveling up much. I'm going to still try to level up and play off the stream, but I know most of my Musou off stream is going to be Hyrule Warriors, at least until I complete story mode. That's the way I am with it when I get a new Musou. I play only that one until I at least complete story mode. Then I go back and unlock the other stuff. I think the only one I got to say 100% it was Mystic Heroes. I know, it's kind of sad. It's the only Musou game I 100% finished Mystic Heroes. But, yeah, I mean, it was still fun. I want another Mystic Heroes, actually. I remember my brother specifically laughing at me because I like Mystic Heroes. I'm like, hey, man, look, you like what you like, I like what I like. Probably because I was playing it on the Wii. It was a GameCube game. I thought it was a Wii game for some reason, even though it was a small disc. Probably why he was laughing. And he had just finished playing some super realistic looking game, and then, you know, Mystic Heroes kind of blocked me by last gen standards, and really blocked me by these by current gen standards. Okay, yes. I love that attack. Could be more damaging, though. I might give him Frenzy or something to boost his Musou attacks. Maybe give him whatever the ability is that makes you do more damage against generals. I forget what it's called. I might give him that one. He'll be my general killer. I think it's no, Gyurdon is the one that is riding the horse. And I gotta look into the abilities to see which ability is the one that ups your attack when fighting generals. Because I don't have anybody who has that maxed out to 10. And that would be awesome is run across a general, hit him like a handful of times and just lay him out. You got Slave and Frenzy. Oh, I can break those. Ow. That's right. Off the horses. And on. The way he screams, I would never get over that. Ouch. I knew it was going too smooth. Sima-Yi. Ouch. Did I defeat Sima-Yi or was it just Sima-Jin? Look, Horseman. Yeah, I think there was both of them. I like how he does a slide attack right there. Is that Hideyoshi in trouble again? Let me go help him. It's a good Red Bull. So I have to drink them for the small boost of energy they give me because I'm immune to them now. Yeah, it tastes good to me. Okay, Aya. And Aya's down. Whoa, 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 whoa. And switch. No, don't switch. Going to Musou. See, I'm gonna find a way not to die. Switch. And did not want to do that, but they are bombarding me now. If he just had something to refill his health, he'd be pretty dang dangerous. He's still pretty darn dangerous as an ice spammer. And there's the peaches. I guess anyone was wondering the peaches there for the Momotaro. If you ever heard of the Momotaro, the Peach Boy myth, folktale, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's why the peaches in here as a health item. Because he was a samurai. Well, I guess it's fitting, yes. Oh, no. Don't die on me. Woo! Close call. See, I'm gonna find ways to not die on this game. I've played it so long I know how to just survive by pure bull crap. It's not even luck, it's just bull crap. And that is the mission. See, I survive on just pure bull crap. You're not gonna get me. But yeah, I like Cao Cao. I'm definitely gonna be leveling him up. He's gonna be one of the main ones I use my co-op with people online. So this has been Hyrule Warriors. Wow, you can tell where my mind is. This has been Midnight Musou, episode 7, bonus round. Until next time, this is A.W.Brawler saying, be you, be true, be human. A.W.Brawler. Good night, people. Because I'm not out. Otherwise, I'm not going out anyway. So good night, people. I'll be wide awake, though. See you later.